Hi, I'm Emma. Welcome to part 1 of creating a mailing with a standard method. To do this, call up the new button in the dashboard. Select the option Create Mailing. The EMM offers various methods for this purpose. The standard method is particularly suitable if you prefer the design by entering HTML code or if you use a fixed basic structure for your newsletters. Select the appropriate template for your mailing in the template overview. Next, enter the basic information for your mailing. You can modify this later. The basic information can only be seen in the EMM. Assign a meaningful name. The name is later displayed in the overview or in reports. You can enter information about the target group or content in the description field. The scheduled for date appears in the calendar as long as the dispatch has not been scheduled. It supports you in your newsletter planning. The advertising slider is activated by default. It prevents personal response data from being recorded if a recipient has objected to the tracking. Important: only change this setting if you have to prove the response data for legal reasons. For instance, in the case of double opt-in mail. The frame content area is pre-filled by the template and determines the structure of the newsletter. Enter your subject in the email section. Leave the setting for format as it is. If your contact details are not yet pre-filled by the template, enter them here. Important: you can choose your sender data freely. However, if you use DKIM, make sure that the email domain matches your DKIM signature. Otherwise, this will be interpreted as a spam signal. Under Settings, select the mailing list to which your mailing is to be sent. Here you can also select an archive or change the mailing type. You can further restrict your mailing list in the Target Groups section. Add one or more target groups if necessary. If you do not want to further subdivide your recipients, leave the setting for Split Direct Mailing at No. Under Media Types, leave the setting on Email. Confirm your entries with Save and Create Mailing. After saving, you will see a preview next to the settings. You will also see other tabs. Next, create the content for your mailing. You see the modules that are already contained in your selected template. You can now edit, add, or delete the content as needed. We will show you how to do this in part 2.